What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the wheel speed sensors on my 540. Nope, I don't have a 540i. I have a 530i. We're going to be doing the wheel speed sensors on the 530i. The reason I'm doing those is because BMWs have these things. It's called the trifecta. It's 3 lights that come on. It's your ABS, it's your traction control, and your brake light. And usually it's the wheel speed sensors. Now I'm going to change those, and if it doesn't work, I'm going to have to change the ABS module, which is like a $1,400 fix, and I'm not looking forward to that. And I probably won't do it, and I'll just live without traction control and not try not to die. So yeah, let's hop right into it.
I'm going to show you where this is. If you could see back there, let's zoom in on it. Right there, that black box contains the wheel speed sensor, which the line then runs around the brake area, and then it clips on. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a clip on and clip off thing. Shouldn't be too hard. All you gotta do is take the wheel off and get to it.
So what I mean with the trifecta lights is these lights: ABS, brake, and my traction control. And my traction control won't go off. This is a common problem with these cars, and the common fix is the wheel speed sensors. Just what we're going to do today. Hopefully it fixes it. If it doesn't, we're just not going to have traction control or ABS, and we'll just try not to die, and it'll be cool. Alright, I have limited space in this garage, and I absolutely hate it. There's nowhere to go. It's really hard to get my jack stand places, so bear with me. Alright, in this box we got some goodies. Alright, so I already opened this up. We got one wheel speed sensor right there. There's the box. What else we got? Got some paper there. And we have another wheel speed sensor, another one, and another one. So 4 in total for the front and the rear. We also have got some ball joints, because actually this car needs it in order to pass inspection, so we're gonna do that. The car isn't even on coils yet, and I can't get it to where it look. BMW they have right where it should be jacked up. I can't even get it in there. Oh, never mind. Of course, when I turn the camera on, it goes right on. Okay. Alright, I'm sweating so bad. So, couldn't do it in the garage because there was no space. So now I'm doing it out there. It was just a pain in the ass. Couldn't get it. I just couldn't do anything in here. So, doing it out there. Need the tool to get the wheel up. Almost fell and died. That's cool. Alright, let's get to it. The bolt's loose. Time to jack it up. This jack was giving me trouble before. Wouldn't go up. But alright, so we're jacked up. Let's get this tire off and put a jack stand underneath the axle. Okay, so basically, what we're gonna do now, fell off the stand, that's cool. Alright, so basically, what we're gonna do now is I'll show you. So, as you see here in this box, like on SpongeBob. Alright, I'll just shut up. Alright, you see that? That's disgusting, first of all. Absolutely gross. So look, that comes all the way out, right back here, and it clips on back here, and it goes under, goes underneath, all the way to this side, and it bolts on. So pretty much just clip it on and off. Alright, so basically the disconnects out of that box, and then you have a little clip on here, clips to clip it off,
There are some bolts holding it in back here. Not sure how well you can see or anything, but there are some bolts holding it in right around here. So yeah. So the bolt holding in the wheel speed sensor is actually a Torx bit. It's a T30. So just letting you guys know that if you are doing this. So passenger side is in. Really, it wasn't that hard. All you gotta do is bolt it back in and then just reroute it the way you took it off. So now we're gonna go to the driver's side, do the same thing, and the rear. Not sure if I mentioned it or not, but the front ones are a little bit different than the rear. The rear ones are a little bit longer than the front. So keep that in mind when you do these. Just separate them, makes things a lot easier. On the driver's side, this was so brittle at the end it kind of just snapped off. That's fine, because these things have like a little rubber O-ring around them. As long as you push it in and do that, it should be fine. It's just not going to click in anymore. That's going to be a pain in the ass to fix. Shouldn't be too big of a problem. Really shouldn't. This is probably the most annoying part, putting it back into this little thing here that holds it. Really, you just got to push extremely hard on it and it'll pop right in. But it does give you a very difficult time. So if you need to hammer it in, just tap it in. But watch out, because this thing does move. The fronts are done, so now we're gonna head on to the back and do those. So the rear wheel's a little bit different than the front wheels. So the wheel speed sensor runs from here down into, the wheel, but it goes back into here, right to here. So there's some tabs you pop out, and we're gonna have to get behind here. So there's a tab right here. I'm getting it out right now. It's a pain in the ass. I wish I had those tab things where you just slide it on, tabs come out. Definitely a tool I would recommend. Although, who uses goddamn tabs anymore? Like, alright. I just noticed there's another sensor back here. It's black, and this wire comes out of it, and it doesn't really do anything. So guys, the wheel speed sensor change didn't fix the problem. I'm assuming it's an ABS module problem. If that's the case, I'm not going to fix it. I'll just live with no traction control and no ABS. It's not the end of the world. I'll just take it easy and stuff like that. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it, comment, hit that notification bell, because every Tuesday we have a new video coming out.